I'm not sure if you're familiar with Andrew Brown. Andrew Brown was a black man who was being served by the Pasquotank Sheriff's Department, the sheriff's office. And when he was driving away out of his yard away from them, they shot him in the back of his head and killed him. And so I was the attorney that was chosen to go in to actually view the footage.
What I saw today absolutely corroborates what Attorney Lassiter shared with us when she was only able to see 20 seconds. Well, we have a saying where I'm from. And that saying is, I was born at night, but not last night. At no point did we ever see any police officers behind his vehicle. At no point did we ever see Mr. Brown make contact with law enforcement.
One of the reasons that we felt so strongly about the Andrew Brown case is because in the Fourth Circuit, the federal circuit that I'm in and that North Carolina is in, there's a case called Strickland. The Strickland case is case law. It is clearly established through the Strickland case that you cannot fire into a vehicle unless the vehicle is moving in your trajectory and you are posing an imminent threat, harm, or danger. That car for Andrew Brown was not moving in that direction. Strickland has made it clearly established that you cannot do that. It is a violation of constitutional rights. And I think that's one of the issues when we talk about police brutality, is that I went that day, I was telling you earlier, I went from that day from having 0 federal cases to having over 16.
Wow.
And what I've learned in the practice of civil rights is that when civil rights attorneys are called, and it's only a handful of us that do that type of work, that if we have to jump on it right away. And the reason is because, one, that family needs support, and two, there's a narrative. There's a narrative that's already being painted by those on the other side.